Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my nails did so you don't have to look at my ugly fingers, and I have a goal for today's video, and that's to be more myself. I just realized, like, watching back my other videos, I'm really camera shy and like nervous, which is really weird because it's just me in my room in front of a ring light and my phone. So I shouldn't be shy. I just need to be myself. So in today's video I am going to be creating a really pretty, I want to call it like a peacock look. It's going to have some really fun colors that resemble like a peacock feather. And then I'm going to be using the Too Faced, I think it's the Fairy Tale palette, or like, it says Sweet Dreams is this. Sweet Dreams are made of this. This limited edition cosmetics collection is filled with our most popular shades and luxurious formulas that go far beyond any glamour girl's imagination. So yeah, I love this palette. It's super beat up. I've had it since like, I think even maybe middle school, but possibly my freshman year, I'm not 100%. It used to be like a little storybook. It was so cute, but as you can see, I ripped it off. And oops. And at some point I like spilled something on it, and so like this color is a little messed up, and this color, like these colors here, but you know, I still use it all the time. And then it also has this awesome like face palette. It has chocolate, it's called Chocolate Soleil, which is a bronzer, Cocoa Rosé, which is a blush. We have another blush here and a really pretty highlighter. What I love about Too Faced is they come with these like little cards that like tell you how to do certain looks, and I think that's so cool. And like starting out like in high school, like in middle school, I love these palettes just for that reason, because I could just pull out one of those cards and be like, ooh, I'm gonna create this look today. But now we have YouTube, so hallelujah for that too. I've already done a layer of foundation and I've done my eyebrows, which is what I'm gonna pretty much do in all my videos where I just do like an eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna take my Royal Peach brush from the Kyle Royal Peach palette, which is one of my favorite brushes. And I'm gonna take the color Honeymoon, which is this color here. It's gonna be kind of it's gonna be my transition color. I love this color because it's kind of like an iridescent shimmery color, and it kind of goes from like a beige to almost like a green. And I'm really going to want this color to shine through in my corner eyes here, so I kind of blended that far up into kind of my nose right here. You can see it just like pop right there. I'm going to take this color Nice Stems, and I'm going to blend this into my crease. I don't want to blend it up, I just want it to be in my crease. Now I'm going to take my all over shadow brush, and I'm going to take the color Label Whore, and this color is like an iridescent, it almost has like a maroon, it has like maroon to blue to purple. It's really pretty. And it's going to blend really, really nicely with that green. Now I'm going to take my smudge brush, and I'm going to take this color here called First Dance. It's like a very deep purple. And I'm going to blend that into my outer eye and create a really pretty V smoky eye. And you don't want to go up over the honeymoon color. You just kind of want to blend it right into that color so that you don't get like some crazy lines going. Then I'm going to take my blending shadow brush, and I'm just going to blend that in. And then I'm going to take the color Coppa Teal. I'm going to blend that into my crease. I'm going to stop right here. I'm not going to blend all the way out. Then I'm going to take my blending shadow brush and I'm just going to blend that in. So this is a brush by Bare Essentials and it's called the Heavenly Line and Buff, and I'm going to use the flat side. And I'm going to take the color Label Whore. I'm going to press that onto my lid and make that color really, really pop because there's so much blue in this color. You really have to get a nice layer on there for that to pop. I'm going to take my blending shadow brush and I'm going to take that color Nice Stems. And I just want this green to pop a little bit more. It's not coming out as much as I wanted it to, so I'm just going to blend this just a little bit up here at the top. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go in and sharpen this up with some concealer, and we'll come back and do the lower lash line, and then you guys will see the finished look. Alrighty guys, now I'm going to take my smudge brush and the color Nice Stems. I'm going to blend that down into my lower lash line. I'm only going to go halfway with this color. Now I'm going to mix the two colors, Coppa Teal and First Dance. Just blend that right into the corner. Blend the color in the buff down in the bottom. And this is, I'm just using this as a base so that the color Honeymoon that I'm going to put in the corner is really going to pop down on the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to go on with my eyeliner. This is the one that I said that dried out, but I'm going to use it. Just hope that it looks good. And then just to give this more of like a wisp, I'm going to use my eyeliner brush. Alright, now I'm going to go on with some contour and cut you back. Alright guys, I'm back. And I use the full face palette area of the Too Faced Fantasy Fairy Tale Booklet palette. I don't know what it's called. I'll look it up though, I'll put it in the description. But I used the Chocolate Soleil for my, okay. So I used the Chocolate Soleil for my contour, and I used the Cocoa Rose for my blush, and the Candlelight Glow for my highlighter, which you guys, this highlighter is amazing. I'm gonna look to see if they sell it just singly because, like, fuck it up. Like, this is definitely a Candlelight Glow. Love it. So now I'm just gonna finish off this look with some mascara. Man, I gotta do something with this hair. It is just, it's crazy. And I fucking caked this shit on. Probably shouldn't, but I do. Alright you guys, here's the finished look. Oh wait. Lip, we need lip. Okay. Let's see. I can't believe I forgot about the lips, y'all. Embarrassing. For my lip, I'm going to use the Revlon Matte Lip Color in the shade Eternity. Alright, this time, this is the finished look. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look that I created today with the Too Faced Fairy Tale Fantasy Palette, whatever it's called. I'm going to put the link in the description below for this palette, hoping that Too Faced still sells this. And if you guys enjoyed this look, don't forget to subscribe. The button's down below, and don't forget to click that little ding, that bell, so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support, and I will see you next time in my next video. Thank you guys.